good people, hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for clicking. In today's video, we are going to refresh the fridge. As you can see, there's plenty of food and stuff, and I just wanted to check through what is still okay to be eaten, because it's been a while since I checked the fridge and I've realized all the leftovers are going to the fridge, and we have not had a leftover day. It has been the festive season, so we are just refreshing the fridge for the new year. You'll be surprised by the outcome at the end, so kindly watch to the end.
You wanna know what's beginning of love? You look so hard, but you can't see enough. Just find it and take it, don't ever regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be gone. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby.
I have now emptied the fridge. As you can see, there's dirt all over, but you can see it's not so bad considering that I store my stuff using tins. Like I said in my previous video, when you store your stuff in containers, it tries to maintain your space, so even as you clean, it will not be too much work. You can see.
Feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby.
On this day, I'm going to use Astonish kitchen cleaner. In my previous video, I used vinegar, water, and bicarbonate soda. So if you don't have any other cleaner, you can always use the homemade cleaners, which gives an amazing outcome.
Baby, feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Stay, 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 stay.
portion of food all over. I can't even remember some of them when they were cooked. Yeah, so let's do justice. And as always, my neighbor's chicken wants to shoot with me, so let's do it. So let's see what we can eat and what we'll just throw away. This is yesterday's food. Don't know if you can see this and this and this. These are for like the last 2 days. So those ones you can eat. I'm not very sure when we last cooked this beef. So it will be the first on the list to just go. Okay. Then also this, I'm not sure when we cooked it. So again it goes. These are lemon and this hoho. So that one will just clean. I've seen they are dirty, so we'll just clean. I think they were kept before cleaning. Then we have here some hohos, some tomatoes. Yeah, so those ones are clean. So that will just go back to the fridge as it is. Then these kales, I can't remember when we cooked kales, so again I think I'll just pour everything in this one for now. It's already small. Then this goes straight to the sink so that I tidy up this space. Then we have some mayo. This expires in 2023. Of course, we have some Oreo for the kids. Let me just be confirming you can see. Okay. And we have some chocolate. We have some kidogo wine. I don't know why I've forgotten to serve mom. Then we have some tomato paste, some soy sauce. This one also I can't remember when it was cooked. This one is spoiled. Actually, I don't know when it was cooked. I don't remember the last time we cooked things, so I don't know how long these ones have been in the fridge. And then for like twice, on 26th and on, I can't remember the other day, we had a blackout. So for so long, I think like 12 or almost 24 hours. So you can imagine that also contributed. This one is bad. It even has mold. See, when you neglect your kitchen, this is what happens. At least now I'm clear with what I'm getting rid of. So let me just clean up. I've decided to just pour them here. The best thing is that the cat that attacked my dustbin will not eat, because you know cats don't eat spoiled food. Did you know that? So to just not mess up, because the problem is it just tears my dustbin and just messes up my space. This one I don't know whether they are. You see, the cat is already here. What is happening? What are you fighting over? Imagine two cats are fighting. For my dustbin! Oh my god! I panicked. For a minute I wondered what is happening around me. Only to realize I have visitors who are fighting over my dustbin. This also is spoiled. I can't remember when it was cooked. So I think I'll just put these ones aside, because if these cats decide to mess up my bin, they will mess up with this bad food. And I can't keep them in the house. The house will smell like trash. So my fridge pieces are clean. So what is left is now cleaning the house. The kitchen, sorry, the house is clean. So let me tidy up. After cleaning the dishes, I also cleaned the cooker so that everything is in the kitchen is now clean.
You're only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you begun. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Shining star, giving, receiving, changing, believing. Only then we could start.